We've just used the reader method here to return an iterable reader object of our kind of file object here. So yeah, a bit kind of complicated, but I suppose you'll see in a moment how an iterable object, you can move through it and pick it out piece by piece. So as I said here, we stored the returned iterable reader object in a variable called, well, reader. You know, you can say whatever you want there, call that name. The next thing we want to do now that it's iterable, we can move through it, and we're going to use a for loop to iterate through the reader object and print out the data one line at a time. So we just use this little for loop here. I'm going to say for, and our iterable variable is going to be row, which will pick up each piece in the reader variable, and it will print out each piece, and you should get an output like that. So let's do that, and let's see it in action. So down here now, we're going to say for row in reader print row. Let's see this down below when I run it, and we've got our data back. Lovely. So there's a couple of different things you can do. We'll see that in the next video.